fucking la, bloody la, blah blah blah. La fucking la, what the hell? The Latin word for Wales is Cambria, and these rocks are called Cambrian. They're 600 million years old, and they are the first rocks all around the world to contain multicellular life. Now, 600 million years might seem like a long time ago, but the Earth was around for 4 billion years before that. That last rebuild turned out to be a very tidy configuration, except that since I messed around with the bungee cords, they've come away from the sidewall. Nothing that a quick tidy can't fix. My primary motive for tidying the van this time was that it's a really calm day, good for flying what's basically an indoor drone, and the controller went missing, and I found it wedged right under that heavy suitcase. Oh. Oh no. Oh, it's alright. Yes, just a little bit bendy. Good. Unfortunately, in early August we've got the Midges here. I mean, not as bad as Scotland gets them, or North Ontario, but pretty bad. The black fly, no matter where you go, I'll die with the black fly kicking my bones in North Ontario, in North Ontario. Oh dear, it's flashbacks to the original build now. Huh, I did not know there was nothing in there. Poundland is not the sponsor of this video, but they often sell this double-sided sticky tape, which has got like a sponge in the middle, and it comes in both a reel and several sheets, all for £1. And I'm going to use it to tape the GoPro to the bottom of the drone. Thus, I reckon the German translation of my drone would be a good fire starter. Umschäden am Quadrocopter durch Absturz wegen Unterspannung BCV. An Akku durch Tiefentladung zu vermieden. Oh, these midges are so annoying, and I'm only like halfway through the job, so I'm going to light a small fire here to hopefully scare the buggers off. Yeah, that'll do. It has to be more smoke than flame, because they can't fly through the smoke. Well, that's the theory. Ah, good, it's blowing this way. Excellent. Well, how crap was that? Didn't even get 5 inches up in the air. Oh, it's no good. The smoke didn't deter the midges at all. Right, so just put this back, sit in the car, close the windows, shut up. Wonder if you can even see how many there are next to this black background of the luggage case. God, that's absolutely maddening. I wonder how many have got into the van with me. Oh, I can see them everywhere. Oh. Interestingly, against the dark background, you can see them really well, and their flight plan is quite predictable. Oh, one more. Done. Oh, yes, sorted. Methinks that table was a little too wide. And that's good night from me. What a great look around between the Black Mountains and mid Wales. And there are other videos of me travelling around Wales there, playlist there. Subscribe. Oh.